giant company. They are here to rip off people. $12,000 for the car worth $14,000 in the market. You won't believe how clean, how good this car is. Look at this. Lexus, I didn't expect this from you. Look at the repair cost. This is for one of my clients, okay? And this guy, his car was overheating. He took the car to dealer, Lexus dealer, and they're supposed to be the best. They're supposed to take care of this car. Technician that did the diagnostic and they tell the customer, hey, we need a water pump. They installed brand new water pump, okay? Let's go outside and show you that new water pump. And then after they replaced the water pump, the car still overheated. They did the inspection and they told the customer, hey, you need a cylinder head. Okay, you need a cylinder head. The problem is not ordering a cylinder head. The problem is the cylinder head fixed the car? Nope. Look at this. This is the engine that we removed from that 2016 Lexus NX 200T. This is brand new water pump. Don't look at it, it's dirty. It's new. Believe me, it's new. They changed the dealer and they said we need the cylinder head. I'm gonna cover the customer information. Look at the repair, $12,207. Can you believe it? $12,000, $207 repair cost. New cylinder head, bolts, head gasket set, timing chain, kit, or whatever it needed, and that's all together $12,000. That car in the market is $14,000. You put that on the side. This customer told me he drove the car for a long time and his gauge was overheating, but not severely. It was overheating a little bit and he didn't care. He drove it to the point the car cuts off, shuts off, and he was not able to start the car. That shows me this car, the head, the block is totally damaged. I don't think so. I guarantee, any cylinder head, brand new, used, won't fix this car. The guy, he towed the car to my shop. He told me, hey, this is the story and what we can do. I did the inspection, I did the compression test, no compression. All 4-cylinder. This is turbo. And I told the guy, hey, I don't know who told you to put the cylinder head in this car, but the cylinder head is not gonna fix the car. You need an engine. And the ironic is this, the engine, used engine, in this car cost half of the price. 80,000 mile, consider a good engine basically, with part and labor warranty, cost $6,500. I told him, hey, pay me $6,500, I'll change the engine for you and I'll give you 1 year, 24,000 mile warranty, parts and labor. Anything happen, I'll fix it for you. And the guy came to me and he said, hey, what if you buy a car from me? I said, okay. That's not bad. How much you want? He said, 5,000. This is the title. This is the title. I'm not gonna show you everything. There's a lot of information on this title. I wanna show the back of it. This is the bill of sale. This is the title, okay? I told him, listen, this car cost me to fix it. I don't know this story. I don't know what's wrong. I know if I change the engine, that will fix the problem. He said, yeah, I know all of it. And I told him, okay, I'm gonna give you an offer, $3,500. Cash. Give me the title, leave the car here. He came an hour ago, he dropped the title, he got his check, and he's gone, and I am owning this car. Let me go outside and show you. You won't believe how clean, how good this car is. Look at this. We fixed the car, we replaced with the used engine. The car has 146,000 miles. The guy came and took his belonging and whatever he had. The car runs fine, runs perfect. I drove it to my house, came back, drove with no issue. It's not shaking, it's not misfiring, it's not doing anything. Let me show you the engine part. And look at the interior. Brown, black interior, leather seat. Look at the clean inside. The guy, he owned the dog, I think. Smells very bad and there's a lot of, I think his dog was shedding a lot. Look at this. But it's clean car, man. This car is perfect. And the tailgates work. look at the car. AC works. The only problem I don't like, that screen, you see it's kind of faded, but rather than that, this car runs perfect. Tires are new. There's no issue, there's no single issue I can point and tell you. We changed the engine and the car runs like, I don't know what they say in English. Like what? Just you tell me, put it in comment, tell me, use this word. I don't know, you tell me. Just look at how clean this car is. It's a push start button. It doesn't have a second key. One key is enough. If I need another key, I can program it by myself and just buy a key fob. Look at how beautiful this car is. 3,500. I replaced the engine already before the guy come and dropped the title, because he dropped the car last week and we had the time for changing the engine before he's coming here. I asked him to fill out the bill of sale, sign it that you sold the car to me. So tomorrow, after replace the engine, you can't really tell me, hey, no, I'm taking the car back. This is the engine that we replaced. 2016 Lexus NX turbo. We replaced it to make sure everything is good. One thing I recommend, if you don't know the junkyard that you're dealing with and you want to buy parts, don't buy it. Don't buy it because they're cheap. Don't buy it because they deliver fast. Buy it from good, trustworthy junkyard, because it's very important. Second, the way they do warranty and the labor warranty is different. They sell block. I don't know if you're familiar with this term or not. What does it mean? They don't give you a labor hours warranty. For example, this car take like 14 hours replacement. They don't give you 14 hours labor. What they do, they sell you $500 block, $100. For example, if you think you need to pay $1,500 to replace that engine, right? You need to buy 3 block. It means you need to put down $300 to cover the $1,500. Understand? Make sense? And then they cover you. And anything happen, they send you $1,500 to fix it, but it need to be properly. And the warranty on the engine, it's all just for lubricant internal components. They don't cover water pump, they don't cover spark plug, they don't cover thermostat, they don't cover belt or tensioner, something like that. They don't cover at all. Piston, cam bearing, timing chain, bracket, whatever inside the car, lubricant components, okay? That's the things they cover. Yeah, that's all guys today. That's a Lexus, giant company. They are here to rip off people. $12,000 for the car worth $14,000 in the market. And I was 100% sure if he would pay $12,000 for this car, he would be mad because this car would not be fixed today. This car still overheat, still had bigger problem because you're putting a new cylinder head on an old warp cylinder block. You make the worst decision. And be aware of these scams, be aware of these dealers. Make sure, call around, shop around, ask other people, ask second opinion. This is good. Even the shop, I'm not just here to blame on dealers. Shops, they do mistake, I do mistake. I'm saying always chase and seek second opinion from the expert. Ask other people. Don't just go because they are dealers and they have a big name or they have a big logo or whatever. No, don't do that. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. We got a new car and I'm gonna clean it, put it in the market for sale and make money. Stay tuned until the next video. Thank you, bye.